Good morning, children. Take out ICSE Mathematics Maths book, chapter 4, page 64. Open this page 64, and take out your school homework copy, school diary, pencil, and eraser. Okay. Ordering. In increasing order, we arrange numbers from the smallest to the biggest. To the biggest. In descending order, we arrange numbers from the biggest to the smallest. Okay. So children, increasing order means smallest to biggest. Descending order means biggest to smallest. Okay. See here example 15, 13, 15, 16, 19 are in increasing order. 18 increasing order means see first one small, big, bigger, biggest. Descending order means see 18 big number first, and last one you see smallest number. So biggest number to smallest number. 18, 14, 12, 10. Now see increasing order small, big, bigger, biggest. Small, big, bigger, biggest. Descending order big, small, smaller, smallest. Okay. Now children 16 arrange the given numbers in increasing order. You know children, increasing order means smallest to biggest number you write. Okay. Now children, everyone follow me. 16. Okay. A. Question is 11, 13, 10, 12. Okay. So children, find first. This is increasing order. Okay. So this increasing order, you find the number first, small number. See 11, 10, 13, 10, 12. See 10 is smallest number. First number, smallest number 10. After 10, 11. See here, yes 11. After 11, see 12. After 12, yes 13. Okay. So 10 is here. So first number 10 you write here. After 10, 11 is here. Yes, 11 is here. 12 is here. So 12 is here. 13 last. So small numbers 10, small number. Big number 11, bigger 12, and biggest number 13. Biggest number. Small, big, bigger, biggest. Okay, is increasing order. Next, B. 16, 14, 18, 10. First you see 10, small number 10. So I write here first small number. Small 10, after 10, 11 is here. No. 12 is here. No. 13 is here. No. 14. So I write here 14. After 14, 15. 15 is here? No. After 15, 16. You see? Right here, 16. 17 is here? No. 18? Yes, 18. So see children, 10, number 10, small number. 14, big number. Bigger. 16, bigger. Last 18, biggest. Okay. So smallest to biggest number. Smallest to biggest number. I hope everyone understood. First write the small number. Find it first. Then you big, bigger, biggest. After small number big, big. After big number bigger. After bigger number biggest. Okay. Next C. 12, 19, 17, 11. So you write first, find first. 10 is here? No. 11 is here. So I write first 11. After 11, see here 12 is here. So I write here 12. 13 is no, not here. 14, 15, 16, not here. 17 is here. See? So I write here 17. Bigger number. 19, biggest. Okay. So 11, number 11, small number. 12, big number. 17, bigger. 19, biggest. So I hope everyone understood. Add the given numbers in increasing order. Okay. CD 15, 13, 15, 13, 12, 20. So find first smallest number 12. So write first 12. 12, 13, 14, not here. So write here 15, last one 20. So answer is 12, 13, 15, 20. Next E. Write first. So first see here 10, 12, 16, 14 question. So you do it on your own. Okay. First you find it children small number. So 10 is small number. So write first 10. So after 10, 11, 12, write 12, 13, not here, 14, last one 16. So 10, 12, 14, 16. The answer. Okay. 10 is smallest number and for 16 is biggest number. Okay. F 13, 20, 18, 15. So see here 10 is not here, 10, after 10, 11, 12, not here, 13 is here. So first write here 13. Okay. Write here 13. 13 after 13, 14, 15, write 15, 16, 17, not here, here after 18, write here, okay, last 19, 20, so last one 20. So answer is 13, 15, 18, 20. 13 small, 15 big, 18 bigger, 20 biggest number. So do it on your own. I hope everyone understood ABC. So do it on your own. D, E, F. Okay. D, E, F. Do it on your own, children. Next, 17. Arrange the given number in decreasing order. Decreasing order means biggest to smallest number. Okay, biggest to smallest number. See here, A 10, 13, 12, 16. Backward is very important, children. Now, first number is big number, you write first. See here, 16 is big number. Means big number, write first. So, write here big number 16. Now, 16 backward, find it. 13 is big, small number. Bigger number to small number. So, write bigger number first, 16, then small, 13, 12, smaller, 10, smallest. Okay, so big, small, smaller, smallest. Again I repeat, big, bigger, big, small, smaller, smallest. Okay, so 17 B, 15, 14, 12, 10. Okay. First you write big number. So big number is here 15. Big number. Okay. 14, 14, 12, 10. So I write here big, small, smaller, number 10, smallest. Okay, so big, small, smaller, smallest. 15, 14, 12, 10. C 11, 18, 14, 20. First big number, you write 20 is big number. Next, see here 20, 19 is here? No, 18 is here. So write 18, small number. 18. Then 14, 1, 4, 14. See, 14, smaller. Then 11, smallest. Okay, 11, smallest. Okay, so big number to smallest number. Big, small, smaller, smallest. 20, 18, 14, 11. Okay, next D. 17, 13, 19, 11. First find it big number, 9, tens. See, 9 is big, 19. So 17, 13, 11. So write first 19, big number. Okay, big. So 18, not here. 17, small number. 13, smaller. smaller, last one 11, smallest. So check it, 19, 17, 13, 11. Any problem, children? To 20, 20, 20, 18, no, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10. Practice, okay. So see here, 20 is not here, 19 is here. So 19 first write, 19, 18 not here, 17 you write. After 17, before number, back number. So 8, 9, 17, 17, 16, 15 not here, 14 also not here. So 13 you write, 13, 12 not here. So last one you see 11. So practice, children. Add in the given number in descending order. I hope everyone understood. So backward is very important, and practice increasing order and decreasing order. Increasing order means small, big, bigger, biggest. Decreasing order, big, small, smaller, smallest. So practice 16, 17. Okay, now take out your school diary, homework, chapter 4, pages 64, 65, okay, 65, 17. Okay. So I hope everyone understood. So practice.